And today we'll be reviewing the ISX single cam cylinder head from Interstate-McBee. So let's see what's in the box. Interstate-McBee supplies the finest new cylinder heads in the market. All new castings, all new valves, valve springs, retainers, injector coppers. Unlike some of the OEM cylinder heads, they will salvage material. When you receive an Interstate-McBee cylinder head, it's guaranteed all new material, all new castings. All new cylinder heads come with lifting straps for ease of removal and installation into your job. New cylinder head comes complete with new cam bushings, valve springs and retaining system, brand new casting that is serial numbered for traceability, and all cooling water jackets installed. This cylinder head is ready for clean and installation in any of your overhauls. And remember, when overhauling any engine, it's best to have a complete repair. Please insist on Interstate-McBee fuel injectors, cylinder head bolts, gasket kits, exhaust mounting. We have the full supply of material to ensure that you make the best job out for your customer.